we are using string from the very beginning of our Python course. You remember when we displayed a message in a print statement? The text enclosed in double quote? Well, this is nothing but string. When we assign the values in the list or dictionary in double quotes or single quotes, well, again, that was string. The string is available in every computer programming language in the world. We need to have a detailed study of string so that we can use it very effectively. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session on strings. And now we will study string in detail. Well, for starters, string is a collection of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. If we write S equal to Python for beginners, here P, Y, T are characters. Even this space is a character. And each character in the string gets an index. So, P has the index 0, Y has the index 1 and so on. Now, we will see how to access the string using index. To print the third character from string, we can write print and then variable name and in square bracket pass the parameter 2. Run the code. Well, we got the output T because 2 is the index of T. The indexing helps us to process the string. So, now you understood what is string. So, the first thing we will learn about string is slicing. Let's declare a string with value Python programming. Now, suppose we just want Python from this string. For this, we will write S1 equal to S and in square bracket write :6. Here, 6 represents the number of character that we want from the string. Basically, this slicing works as a range function. So, when you specified the value 6, it will print the character till the index 5. Then print the variable S1. Run the code. Well, we just got Python as output. That is first 6 characters from the string. To print all the characters starting from the 4th index, we will write print and inside print write string variable name, that is S, and in square bracket write 4: like this. Run the code. Well, we got the output, all the characters from the 4th index. If you want 3rd to 6th index character, just write a print statement, then S and in square bracket 3:7. Run the code. Here is our output. Well, here character with the index 6 is not visible because it's a space. When you write 3:7, it gives the element from the 3rd index to the 6th index. Now, to print the last 4 characters, write -4: like this. Run the code. Again, we got the expected output. Well, you can play around the string. Just remember, the game is of the index and it starts from 0. You know, you can even apply a loop to print the individual character of the string. Write a for loop with CHS placeholder and then in keyword and then string variable name S. Inside the indent of for loop, print the variable ch. Run the code. Well, each character is printed. Suppose you want to print the ASCII code of each character. We just have to change this print statement. Write ch variable inside the ORD function. ORD function gives the character's ASCII code. Run the code. Well, we got the output. If this is difficult to understand, modify the print statement to print the character and then its ASCII code like this. Run the code. Well, this is a better output. You can cross-verify this ASCII values with this ASCII chart. I hope you understood how to declare and access string. We need to study few more features of string, but all that in the next session. Thanks.